Good morning students. Let us start grade 10 chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. Students, today we are going to understand some word problems on the base of chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. So let us start our first question. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits. Very important. What is given to us? Sum of two digits and the reversing order of its digits is 165. If the digits differ by 3, we have to find the concerned number. So how we have to solve this question? Let us start. Let the digit at unit place. Let the digit at unit place is equals to x and digit at tens place is equals to y. All of you know very well two-digit numbers. So therefore, number is equals to, otherwise original number is equals to what? See, ones place we have x only and tens place we have y, so we have to multiply by 10. So 10y plus 1 into x, we get x. So finally we can say that our original number is 10y plus x. So original number we can use two number. The second is what? A reversing order of the digits. So I am writing here students, on reversing the digits, what we have? On reversing the digits, new number. What is our new number, guys? See, once we change the order of the digit, means the place of y we have to interchange by x, like this. So see, it comes out 10x plus y. So this is what? This is our reversing order of the digits. So now students, according to the question, some conditions are given to us and we are bound to use that conditions. We have to use the sum of the two digits and the reversing order of digits is equals to 165. So it means 10y plus x within the bracket plus 10x plus y is equals to 165. So let me solve this first. So what we get, students? I solved here 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equals to 165. So see guys, x and 10x we are get here 11x plus 10y plus y we get 11y is equals to 165. So see, can we take 11 common to this side? Is equals to 165. So let this 11 to the other side, x plus y is equals to 165 upon 11. So if there is some chances to solve this fraction, so we have to solve this. 11 ones 11 and then 11 ones are 11, 5 is left, 5 55 and then 11 5s are 55. So finally we are left with x plus y is equals to 15 and let this equation be number 1. So finally we have one equation. So according to the question we have to use the second condition, that is what? If the digits differ by 3. So and according to the question, differ means x and y, differ means subtraction sign, by 3 is equals to 3 and let it be equation number 2. So now students, we have two equations and we all very well know that in order to find the value of the two variables, we have three main methods. Number one, elimination method. Number second, substitution method. And number three is what? Cross multiplication method in order to find out the value of x and y. But we have to go with the simple method, that is elimination method. So on solving, I am writing here students, on solving equation 1 and 2, we get. I am writing the equation x plus y is equals to 15 guys and x minus y is equals to what? 3. If you can see that if we go for the addition, then y with positive and negative sign cancel itself. X plus x guys 2x is equals to 15 plus 3 guys 18. So further implies x is equals to what, students? 18 upon 2. So it implies that the value of x is what, students? 9, and keep it in the box. Now one value, students, we have. So for the second one, put x is equals to 9 in equation number either in 1 or 2, that is your choice, but I am substitute here in equation number 1, students. So once I substitute the value x at the place, see your 1 is this x value. First I am writing the equation x plus y is equals to 15. Now I am substituting, students. X is what, guys? 9 plus y at the place, students, is equals to what? 15. So it further implies students, y is equals to, this 9 goes to other side, 15 minus 9, students, 6. We are left with 6, and keep this also in the box. Now guys, we have two values, that is x and y, but we are finally we interested to find our number. So therefore I am writing here, students, a required number, required 2-digit number, required number or 2-digit number is equals to what? See, according to our conditions, the required number is 10y plus x. So I am writing here, students, 10y plus x. So let me substitute all our required values. So 10, the value of y is what, guys? 6, and the x value is what, students? 9. So what we get? See, 10 into 6, 60, 60 plus 9, 69. So students, your number is 69. If you want to write the number reversing order, so on the reversing order, we get our number is what, 96. So we have to check the question very first, find the number. So our number is 69. Once we change the order, we get result or required number is 96, because you have to take this 9 at the place of this. So required number is 69. Required number is 69. So hope you understand the way to solve this question. Students, this question is not important only regarding your or according to your examination point of view, but this concept or this type of questions also important according to your competitive point of view. So try to solve the same questions at your home. Till then, bye bye everyone. Have a nice day all of you.